Autoscope MPI system testing. We take a measuring probe and connect it to the injector control connector terminal. We connect current clamps to the same wire of the injector connector. Start the car. This is how the injector control signal and the current waveform signal look like. Let's complicate the task and check the influence of fuel pressure at the moment of injector opening. To do this, set the synchronization moment on the leading edge and turn off the fuel supply. It is enough to remove the fuel pump connector when the engine is running. The waveform shows how the point of the moment of lifting the needle shifts. Let's try to conduct this experiment on the stand for testing injectors. We connect current clamps and a measuring probe to the injector and also connect a pressure transducer to check the pressure in the rail. For clarity, let's increase the pressure window. As well as the interval window between markers. We see that there is practically no pressure, and the opening pulse interval is 3 milliseconds. Let's move the markers to the beginning of the opening and closing of the injector. The actual operating time of the injector is 2.3 milliseconds. Let's turn on the fuel pump. As the pressure rises to 2.5 bar, we see how the injector opening time has changed. That is, the injector opened for a longer period of time, and it also closed a bit later. Moving the markers, we can see that the operating time has been reduced to 2.1 milliseconds. We turn off the fuel pump and see how, as the pressure drops, the injector becomes easier to open and, accordingly, the operating time increases. The opening time of the injector depends on the fuel pressure.